And I think at the core of what we're doing, it's very fair to say we're trying to build a platform that brings together the people who are trying to build the future of Europe through tech and venture capital.
Because when the cost of writing code goes to zero, it means that creating a new feature is as simple as a voice command. And the tendency will be to add more and more and more.
Sometimes insight comes from research, sometimes insight comes from working 10 years in an industry, sometimes insight comes from behavior that they've identified and tried to productize.
And this is why we need better computers, but we don't only need computers that are a little bit faster or somewhat faster. We need computers that compute differently in a way to unlock those problems that otherwise really stay kind of behind closed doors.
What we did and what you did last year to win a deal or sell a company or recruit someone, it's not going to be enough. Because everyone's chasing you and you need to get better. So the price increases.
We spend a lot of time thinking about what makes amazing founders, and it's hard because there is no clear pattern. Every investor I talk to, I'm interested in how they think about this, and every investor has a different mental mindset on what makes an amazing founder.
If you just, like I said, stick a camera on a robotic arm and call it AI-driven robotics, that is great. But the customer doesn't care. Like, they just want to move the person to a higher value workstation and hand the repetitive work to something else, right?
We want to sort of use impact investing to drive outlier returns, and through doing that, catalyze more capital into the market.
There's still a lot of the same thing that runs true, which is obsession over the end customer and also over the shipper, and really knowing the product technology in depth. And I think those things are kind of like the culture and fabric at Hive now.
Where Europe has a real advantage, a real structural advantage, is the combination of AI and the domains. So that is quantum fusion, materials, chemistry, and ultimately biology as well.
When AI starts improving the quality of our work, of our decisions, of our strategy, it's then we're going to see its kind of transformational benefits, right? But we need to lean into its strengths.